Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Oraloa. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to Oraloa. So this diamond painting is actually the biggest diamond painting I have. It's big. If you've been following my channel, you may notice that I don't do too many of the big ones. Although I feel like I actually am starting to do more of the big ones. Originally, I wasn't doing the bigger ones because I wanted everything to fit in my portfolio book. And the biggest portfolio book I could find at the time was an 18 by 24 inch portfolio book. And so then I was keeping to about the 45 by 60 and below. Now I'm on I'll do like one or two big ones in a year, maybe. Well, that was like maybe last year, but I think I'm starting to do more of the big ones. So yeah, like I said, this is from Oraloa. And there's stuff here. And this one, before I open it, is this here. It's from Dominic Davidson called Pine Valley. Like I said, it's the biggest diamond painting I have. It's a 66 by 92 centimeter there. And here's the image there. It's this farmhouse. So this is on their site and it's available in rounds and squares, and it's on their site currently on sale for $43 or $45. $45 is the square and $43 is the round. What did I get? I got the square ones. Sometimes when they get sent, I actually don't know what shape I'm gonna get, what drill I'm going to get. But I'm happy it's the squares because squares are my favorite. Because apparently I like to do the harder stuff. People do say that squares are a little bit more difficult. I really don't think they're more difficult. I think they just take longer for the same size just because there's more squares per square centimeter, I guess, because they are slightly smaller. So I don't know necessarily if they're harder, but I don't know. They're my favorite, so maybe I don't think of them as hard. All right, so what is this? It says here, oh, it's the instructions how to diamond paint here in English and I guess French, because I believe Oraloa is a Canadian company. Well, this shipped to me from Canada. Look at all the drills. Oh my gosh, it's so big. It has 2 drills. 2 bags of drills. So, let's see. The toolkit. Here. Okay, so these ones have black tweezers. I think my last Oraloa was more of a pastel tweezers. It does have the blue wax. There's 3 plates of blue wax. Has a purple squishy, a pen, sparkly pen with a 3 and 9 placer, and the Mosfa tray. This is actually one of my favorite trays. I still use it even now with the 3D trays I have. It's still my go-to, especially for diamond paintings that have a lot of, diamond paintings where I don't have that much color blocking, so I don't end up needing to fill up my tray like crazy. And it does come with a sticker sheet here. And this thing has 60 colors. That's a lot of colors. And look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Dominic Davidson, Pine Valley. Is that like a real place somewhere? Doesn't that sound like a real, like, town somewhere. And here it is. All right, let's move you up. It is, like I said, the biggest diamond painting I have. I don't have a diamond painting this big. Man, it is big. It's big. Let's straighten this a little bit. So the plastic is pretty thick. There. So yeah, it has the red barn. It does say Pine Valley. It looks like the Pine Valley part was hand charted so that you could actually, it looks like you'll be able to kind of read the words there. And you can see some birds. This one does look like a lot of confetti though. Let's move you down so I can show you the drill field here. It looks, I think, pretty clear. You can see, I kind of feel like, I don't know for sure, but I kind of feel like Oraloa is one of those places that computer generates and then with touches of hand charting, because I can see the touches of hand charting here on the barn windows. I can see like these would normally not be like these kind of straight lines for the barn windows, but everything else, like look at this amount of confetti on the trees, looks more like a computer generated image, which I'm almost like, I don't mind the computer generated images because they look closer to the original. And I think too much hand charting can actually make a diamond painting look a little bit more cartoony than it's supposed to. So yeah, I think this will turn out. I really like the landscapes, and I live in the Pacific Northwest where I feel like there's just so much trees that I don't know. I really like the pictures with trees. Don't ask me why. At first I was like, when I was looking for a house to buy, I was telling my realtor, like, I would be like, I don't like that house. There's this massive tree. Like and when I mean massive tree, the tree was like 3 or 4 times taller than the house. So to me, that's too big of a tree to be right next to the house, because I don't know, where I was from in the San Francisco Bay Area, usually when they built houses, there was no trees around, at least where I was. So then here, like I felt like when I moved to Washington, they actually built houses right next to the trees. Like they would maybe clear out the space for the house, but they would leave the big trees if it was not in the way of the house. And I was like, look at that massive tree. What if it falls on my house and it's like a massive tree? So yeah, but now that I've been here, I'm like, oh, look at the lovely trees. I'm like, now I'm really like the diamond paintings with trees. So it looks like the drills are in the baggies here. And I'm not going to take it out because I think it might be in order. See, that's 60. And look, there's 29. Oh no, maybe it might not be in order. That says 54, but maybe all the ABs are just by themselves. Man, look at all these drills. There's so many drills. I was like, There's so many drills. I was like trying to open another light because I turned off the main light that's near here just because it glares onto the plastic, and I think you actually get a better picture when it's not that bright in my house, or the light is like over to the other side. So I'm like, it's pretty dark for me. Looks like some nice drills here. I did do the one other Oraloa, and I really enjoyed the squares. I'm actually working on a round Oraloa right now, which you'll see in the future. Hopefully. So no, you're not going to see the finish of this one. It's just massive, and I was not going to be able to finish it for this video, but I figure let's look at. Also, look, the ABs look like they're in their own little baggie here. So, let's look at the ABs. And if you're new to diamond painting and you're like, what in the world is an AB? There are these drills that have a extra coating on it. Oh, there's a darker one, so it's I feel like it's a little bit more obvious. So this is a purple AB. I was like I said, it's dark, but or at least dark right next to where I'm recording, but it helps the video better for it to be dark for me. So this one looks like a purple AB, but then you can see the coating kind of gives it a bluish metallic-y look. Here's a pink AB, and the AB on it is a little bit less obvious than the blue one. Here's the purple one. Here's a blue one, a blue AB here. Here's a purple AB. And a yellow AB here. So the ABs just add an extra different kind of sparkle. That's what I noticed. They add just a little bit of an extra sparkle. So let's see. In this picture, since I'm not going to finish it, the AB, let's see. The yellow AB is M. So the sign here is all ABs. I see some M in here. I see some M in the sky over there. Yeah, I see some M over there. So that's where that one is. 53. Ooh, where is that symbol? Oh, I see some of it over here. There's a purple right there. Some over here. So there's some in the sky. I don't see anything. Oh no, right here. Those are ABs right. Oh, I'm off camera. Oh, ABs right here. Like I said, it's dark, so like I usually have more light. 59. 59 is a carat. It's huge. Like some of it's in the sky. I don't see it that it's big. I don't really see where this one is. Okay, sorry. So 57, it's the up arrow. The up arrow. Oh, I see some over here. So I think a lot of the ABs look like they're going to be in the sky. And 56 is the H. Oh, it's this roof. So the roof is going to be AB. There too. I probably would also use an AB for some of the window outline. I don't know. Perhaps I might use some ABs in the water, or I might use some crystal rhinestones in the water. I like doing that too. So yeah, there is this image here called Pine Valley by Dominic Davidson. So that's all I have to show. I'm not gonna show the finish at the end, because it's huge and I don't have that. I'm working on like already a big diamond painting from Oraloa right now, which you'll see in the future, hopefully soon. But that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to Oraloa for sending this item for review. And thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.